Meaning of dating service.
Dating service.
Dating service.
Dating service.
Dating service. A dating service is a platform or service that facilitates romantic relationships between individuals. It aims to help people find suitable partners by matching them based on shared interests, values, or other criteria. Users create profiles that include information about themselves and what they are looking for in a partner. The service then suggests potential matches, and users can communicate and get to know each other. Dating services can be online or offline, and some offer additional features such as background checks or dating coaching. Ultimately, the goal of a dating service is to help people find love and companionship.